It's time to start walking. MotoGP is underway for 2018.
He's close enough. Here he comes out up the inside. Dovizioso's getting on the comeback.
Dovizioso wins the opening race 2018.
This is unbelievable.
Marc Marquez has got a big problem here. Pedrosa's gone.
Marquez leads then.
It's got a ride-through penalty.
He's in.
Cal Crutchlow bites. He goes through. Meanwhile, at the front, Cal Crutchlow wins. Oh! Here comes Dovizioso.
Leads the World Championship by a single point. Marquez is going to strike. Marquez leads the Spanish Grand Prix.
Wow! Oh! Dovizioso, Lorenzo and Pedrosa are all down. What a move on Johann Zarco. So he's down! Zarco's down! Marc Marquez.
It has been another exhibition.
It's a hat-trick for Marc Marquez in Le Mans. He takes his third victory in succession.
Contact between Marquez and Petrucci.
Number 99, Lorenzo leading. Jorge Lorenzo wins for Ducati here in Mugello. It's double delight for Jorge Lorenzo here in Barcelona. Wins an absolute stunner here in Athens. Marquez, he's up the inside. Marquez will take a 46-point lead into the summer break. The Bologna bullets are coming. It's Ducati versus Honda.
To Andrea Iannone and Marc Marquez, they were side by side.
Marquez on the comeback! He's going to do it! It's a return of the victory for Marquez! Oh, he's done! It's over! It's over! Marc Marquez masters Motegi. He is world champion in 2018. Zarco now trying to challenge. Marquez! Zarco! That's a devastating. Maverick Vinales win finally here in Phillip Island. Rossi has gone down. Marquez claims his 70th win. It's Marc's Malaysia. 2018 has been a blast.